Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix weather widget not working on your iPhone after iOS 18 update. So guys, the weather widget was only available in the today view earlier. With iOS 14 you can add it to your iPhone home screen and see the weather information with just a glance. However, this widget isn't working for many users after updating their devices to iOS 18 or a newer version like iOS 18.1. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply ensure that the location access is on or the location service is on. You have to open the settings and go to privacy and security. Scroll down, tap on it, and tap on location services, and you have to make sure that it's enabled. After this, you do simply check your internet connectivity. This goes without saying that to update weather information, your iPhone must have working internet connectivity. So you have to do is simply go to the control center, and from here you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi or your cellular data is turned on. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply manually select the location in the weather widget. On the home screen, you have to do is simply tap the weather widget, and from here, do is simply manually select your weather. From here, you can select your weather location. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply remove this widget from your home screen. Simply tap on remove and remove it and then re-add it back. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then I suggest you to do reset your all settings. To do this, you have to simply open the settings and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset icon, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix weather widget not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.